Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and let's see what's jumping in Marcia pot today. I think I'm going to make my special Southern collard greens. These are the ingredients for my special collard greens. 1 chopped onions with 2 cloves of garlic, minced up. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of chicken stock. And also I'm going to use smoked turkey in my collard greens. These are the smoked turkey that's already cut up. We're going to put the smoked turkey into the pot. I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth to the pot and 1 cup of water. I'm going to add the diced onion and crushed garlic. Now I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for a half an hour. These are the collard greens here. I already washed them. I washed them in salted cold water, and then I rinsed them several times to rinse out any grit or dirt. You roll them up like you're rolling up a cigar. These are the ones that are already washed and cut up. It's been over 30 minutes now. It's time to add the collard greens. The next thing we add is the apple cider vinegar, the teaspoon of sugar, the teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or how much you choose to use, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to cover it up and let it cook for another hour. Now let's check to see how the collard greens are coming along. It needs to cook for another half an hour. This is the finished product, my special Southern collard greens with smoked turkey. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.